The Indian team management has denied suggestions that one day Vice-Captain Virat Kohli directed abusive language towards a senior Indian journalist in Perth on Tuesday. The Indian team were training at the Murdoch University in Perth when Kohli had a go at a senior journalist from a leading Indian national daily. It has been reported that Kohli mistook him for another journalist, whose daily had carried a story about Kohli's relationship with Anushka Sharma. Indian media contingent in Perth. The media manager Dr. R.N. Bobba said there was a misunderstanding and no abusive language was used. Virat has spoken to the concerned gentleman immediately and matter and earlier. According to TIE on Tuesday, the particular journalist on whom Kohli had gone verbal also seemed clueless, but once the Indian jet skipper cooled down, he told someone about an article that had appeared about him and his girlfriend Anushka Sharma in a national daily, and he thought that it was that particular journalist who had written the story. When he was told that he has mistaken this particular reporter as someone else, Kohli called one of the journalists and through him apologized for the incident. According to reliable sources, Team Director Ravi Shastri has personally spoken to Kohli and advised him to keep his cool, as it is unbecoming of a future India captain to behave in this manner publicly. Please subscribe the video.